Okay, we're here at gotomath.com. We're working some calculus and we're under finding the derivative by the definition. This is the section here that we're in, right here. Alright, so let's move over to the whiteboard before we run out of time. We have g of x. I almost wrote a t there. G of x is equal to 8x squared plus 15x plus 3. Alright, let's make sure. At x squared plus 15x plus 3. Okay. We want to find g prime of x. Alright. So remember that g prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0 of g of x plus delta x minus g of x, and it's all over delta x. So the first thing I'm going to find is this top part up here, and that is, well, let's do g of x plus delta x. Okay, and so that means we're going to take 8, take x plus delta x squared plus 15 times x plus delta x, and then plus 3. Of course, we're going to get some nasty thing out here. 8x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Right, that's multiplying this guy together, plus 15x plus 15 delta x. Went ahead and distributed the 15 across, plus 3. Now we still need to distribute this 8 all the way across. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and do just the entire top part right here. Okay, so that means it's going to be 8x squared plus 16x delta x plus 8 delta x squared plus 15x plus 15 delta x, all right, plus 3, and then minus, that's this part right here, minus the g of x, so that's going to be 8x squared, distributing this negative across, and then minus 3. All right, and if you don't mind, I'm just going to go ahead and save us some time. Have to rewrite all this. This is all over delta x. That's going to be this, and then let's just go ahead and write the limit over here. Okay. Alright, we're trying to save some time. Let's erase this piece here. So the limit as delta x approaches 0 of all of this stuff. However, we can cancel a lot of things out. Thank God. Right, we're going to cancel out those guys. 15's gone, 3's gone, and so forth. And then let's just go ahead and rewrite this limit. Delta x approaches 0 of 16x delta x plus 8 delta x squared. We're just kind of writing it in order as we see it up here, and then 15 delta x, and that's all over delta x. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this limit one more time, maybe let you work out the very end. So 16x, we're just simplifying this down, 8 delta x, and then plus 15. All right, and then as we do this limit here, taking delta x and taking 0, substituting in for delta x, we're going to be left with 16x plus 15. All right, if we were to evaluate this limit. So practice that. Right, and there it is, and hit the help button, and of course you'll see it worked out much like how I did it. All right.